estar aquí en las aventuras de Barbie. Vamos a disfrutar hoy aquí. Estoy en el sur del Naples, en la Florida, señores. Hoy vamos a ver diferentes tipos de animales que está este sur donde muchas familias vienen a disfrutar todos los weekends, señores. Así que si quieren ver más de lo que yo disfruto aquí hoy, sigan. Come on. Bingo!
Oh my god.
Oh shit, they're monkey puppies.
Alright, there's a black and white colorless monkey.
Look. Look how beautiful picture. How peaceful they seeing each other. It's remember me Notebook movie. How amazing look like. Beautiful picture. Gente, ahora vamos a ver las jirafas. Oh my god, qué momento más emocionante. Check it out. Ahora vamos a alimentar las jirafas aquí en el sur, qué emoción. Voy a esperar mi turno. Ay, qué lindo mi baby. Look. Sorry.
Toma. Can I smack it or that's my death wish?
No. Y ahora vamos a ver el león, el South Africa Lion, Social Cat, no always family friendly. Así que vamos a chequear si hoy tenemos disponibles los leones. Están aquí. How cute they're sleeping. Look the lion, they're sleeping. How fun.
Look at the beautiful lions. No, she's not a lion. The lion is over there.
Este es un shopping store where they can buy different slushing, muñequitos de los animales de aquí mismo. Some store. Un niño disfrutando. Ok, aquí vamos a ver una de las tortugas. Vamos a ver un tortuga. Es un Galápagos tortuga. Ahí lo están viendo, ese es el tipo. Galápagos tortuga. Y está por allá atrás, como la pueden observar. Super nice. Vamos a ver qué tenemos acá. Aquí vamos a tener slot. Un leopard slot, tiene que ver todo con tipo de diferente. Un leopard tortuga, una tortuga de leopardo.
Oh my god.
Go, keep walking, keep walking.
Bueno, aquí vamos a observar la zebra. Qué hermosa están. Zebra. How cute it is. Esto es como un acuario donde hay muchos pececitos bien hermosos ahí. Un pequeño acuario donde puedes observar muchos pececitos nadando. Pero todos libres. Okay, now we going to see the risks and reward. Why is an animal play with fire? Let's check it out. Oh, look, it's right there. Ok, mi gente, ahora estamos entrando en la sección donde todos los niños se divierten. Es un playground aquí en el sur de Naples, donde los niños disfrutan, juegan, un lugar de receso, ¿verdad? Aquí hay muchos niños, aquí hay otro que está ahí. Okay. Ok, mi gente, ahora vamos a ver la serpiente de Burmese Python. AB eaters may help humans. What? Let's check it out. Where is that? Yo creo que él está paniqueado porque el gordo está aquí, sabe que se come cualquier cosa.
Where?
Come, let's go. Now we watching the Athena story. So amazing. How cute is. Pinga.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Ok, mi gente, ahora vamos a disfrutar de la parte donde nos vamos a subir en el bote para dar un paseíto aquí en el sur de Naples, alrededor del lago, para ver si podemos coger algunos animales más de cerca y disfrutar del ambiente y de la naturaleza. Está súper lindo. Ahora vamos para adentro. What happened? We scared. Bueno, señores, ahora nos vamos a dar un paseíto en el bote. A ver la naturaleza. A ver qué bonito está todo esto, ¿verdad, Brenda? Yay. ¿Qué tú crees que vas a poder observar aquí? No. She said, I don't know.
Bunch of monkeys.
Oh.
I think you need to take me off this license.
Okay,
Yeah, right?
Me estoy empezando a asustar y me voy a bajar antes de irme. Stop staying with me like that. Don't play with me like that, 'cause I'm scared. No sé si ustedes pudieron sentir el vibrazo del bote. Chocó 2 veces con la rampa. De monkey, papi.
Alright, these are black and white colorless monkeys.
Look.
So we'll see if we can go by them and get some pictures. But they're off the right side of the boat. They're up there on that little shelter
The
over
monkey,
here.
papi.
Alright, these are black and white colorless monkeys.
Look.
So we'll see if we can go by, kind of stealth mode, give you a chance to go on any of the islands. Because all the primates you're going to see today, they were all born and raised in the zoo environment. They don't swim. They don't swim. They respect the water as a natural barrier. However, in the wild, yes, definitely they do have primates.
With the monkeys over there.
Now, before we go too far, if you look off the right side of the boat, way up, they can actually, in a single leap, go 30 feet.
They can jump here.
And over the ground, they'll go 30 miles an hour. An extra stomach chamber that allows them to eat things other primates can't. So when they lose habitat, they adjust more easily. So they're not endangered, but they're hunted in their native home. They're hunted for the pelt, and they're also hunted as a source of meat.
Mira la pelo. I need that for my station. The hair.
Oh, the hair.
I need that for my station.
Now, they're an old-world monkey, and their tails are pretty much only used for balance. If we're lucky on the night, means they live in the treetops. So this is natural behavior. And what you see right there, that's called brachiation. The ability to go from branch to branch like that. Now, how can he do that so easily? Well, in his wrist, he's got a ball and socket joint like you and I have in our shoulder. So that gives him the ability to turn his hand backwards, completely around. Makes it very easy for him to grab the next branch. So this is how they get about in the forest canopy of the wild. He's a lesser ape, meaning he's under 90 pounds. Particularly this one here is about 35 pounds. Very muscular, 90% of the body is muscle.
What is this climbing?
And there's a female on the island, it's a bonded pair. And it's typically in the morning where they do their calls up in the trees, and they are the second loudest of any primate in the world. Under his chin is a little sac, which you couldn't see from this distance. We call it a gullah sac. When they do their calls, they fill it with air until it's about the size of their head. They use that air to project their voice. It'll carry about 2 miles. And then tree,
Bueno, como pueden ya
about the primates and the spider monkey.
pues hemos visto ya algunos monos, ¿verdad?
A little closer for you.
Francés, brincando en los árboles, aquí esto parece todo. Vamos a ver los adulting animal alligator. Aquí pueden chequear algunos de los alligators. Alligator, alligator. Ahí hay uno que tiene cara de monstruo, parece el Predator. Put down, put down, put down. Hello. Estos son los animales.